Hello student, I Dr. Anjana Rita Khalko welcoming you again in the continuation of e-learning classes. Today we will discuss about the plant Bhallatak. Introduction. Bhallataka is a medium to large sized tree with many medicinal properties. Botanically, it is identified as Semicarpus anacardium Linn. Semicarpus is a derived from Greek word "simion" meaning marking or tracing, and carpus meaning nut. Anacardium means like cardium. Semicarpus anacardium means heart-shaped marking nut. The literal meaning of the term bhallataka is sharp like spear which produces blisters on touch. Nomenclature. The Latin name of bhallataka is Semicarpus anacardium Linn. It belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. In Hindi, it is called bhilawa, and in English, it is known as marking nut or oriental cashew nut. Vernacular names in Assamese, it is called bhelaguti, in Bengali, bhela tuki or bhela, in Gujarati, bhilamu, in Kannada, bhallatak or bhallika, in Marathi, bibha or bibba, in Oriya, bholatuki, in Punjabi, bhilawa, in Tamil, irimugi, in Telugu, nallajiti. Classification. Charak has included Bhalataka in Deepaniya Mahakashai, Bhedaniya Mahakashai, Kushtagna Mahakashai and Mutra Sangrahaniya Mahakashai. In Shushrut, it is included in Nyagrodhadi and Mustadi Bhav Prakash Nighantu explained this plant in Haritakyadi Varga. Synonyms. These are some synonyms of Bhallataka. Bhallataka. It produces blisters and due to its Tikshna guna it is called Bhallataka. Next, Bhalli. A tree with irritant sap of the bark. Bhedana. It is useful in tumor due to its Tikshna property. Next is Agnika. It produces burning like fire. Next is Agnimukhi. The fruits are seated on a fleshy orange cap. Arushkar. The juice of the fruit produces blisters on touch. Next is Arushka. Again, the juice of the fruit produces blisters on touch. Dhanur Bij. The fruits are obliquely ovoid and because of this shape it is known as Dhanur Bij. Next is Ranjak. It is used as blackening agent and because of this coloring property it is given the name Ranjak. Shofakrit, the juice of the fruit produces blisters and swelling on touch. Next is Vatari. It cures Vatic disorders. Next, Veer Vriksha. It is highly potent drug. Next, Krimigna. Because the drugs kills the worm. Next is Bhutagni. The drugs kills organism or drive away the evil spirit. Distribution. It is a moderate-sized deciduous tree found in the outer Himalayas and hotter parts of India up to 3,500 feet height. The plant is found in abundance in Assam, Bihar, Bengal, and Orissa. Morphology. It is a medium to large size deciduous tree of about 15 to 25-meter height. Bark. Bark is grey in color and exfoliates regularly in small irregular flakes and exudates a red irritant resin on increasing, which blackens on exposures. Leaves. The leaves are simple, alternate, 8 to 12 inches long and 3 to 4 inches wide, obovate and oblong shaped. The apex is round, leathery in texture, glabrous above and pubescent beneath. Flowers. The flowers are greenish white in color, fascicled in pubescent. Fruits. The fruits are obliquely ovoid or oblong drupes, 2.5 to 4 centimeter long, compressed, shining black when ripe, seated on a fleshy orange colored receptacle. The milky exudate secretes from unripened fruits, which becomes black on ripening. The seed inside the black fruit known as godambi. It is edible when properly prepared. Cultivation. The plant is propagated through seeds. Raspanchak or properties of Bhalataka. The guna is laghu, snigdha and tikshna. The rasa is kashai and madhur. Vipak is madhur and virya is ushna. The pulp of fruit is madhur. It is vrishya, vringhan and vata pittahara in karma. These are some chemical constituents present in Bhalataka. The bilvanals, phenolic compounds, bioflavonoids, sterols, and glycosides. The net shells contain bioflavonoid, biflavons A, C, A1 and A2. Other common components are cardol, catechol, etc. Karma. The actions of Bhalataka are Deepan, appetizers, next Pachan, digestive, Bhedan, purgative, Medhya, brain tonic, Chedan, expectorant, Kushtagna, it is used as anti-dermatosis, Mutra Sangrahaniya, urinary astringent, Sukral, spermatogenic, Jwaragna, antipyretic, and Kandugna. Indications. It is used in Kushtha, the skin diseases, Arsha, in piles, Udar Roga, the abdominal diseases, Grahani, the sprue, Gulma, the abdominal lump, Shofa in swelling, Anah in abdominal distension, Krimi in worm infestation, Jvara in fever. Next is in Vrana in wound, Shweta Kushtha, the skin diseases, Vibandh in constipation, in Shul, pain. Contraindications. Bhalataka is contraindicated in children, old age, pregnant women and individuals of Pitta constitution. In Pittaj Vyadhi, hemorrhagic diseases, diarrhea and nephritis. And it is also contraindicated used in summer season. Shloka of Bhallatak according to Bhava Prakash Nighantu, which is described in Haritakyadi Varga. Bhallatak phalam pakvam swadu pakrasam laghu kashayam pachanam snigdham tikshna ushnam chedi bhedanam. The fruits of Bhallatak in the ripened form is swadu, that means in madhur in rasa, and it is also the vipak of Bhallataka is madhur. It is laghu in guna, the rasa is kashay, and the karmas are pachan, and virya is ushna. Another karmas are chedan and bhedan. मेद्यं वह्निकरं हन्ति कफवात व्रणोदरं कुष्ठ अर्श ग्रहणी गुल्म शोफानाः ज्वर कृमीण. Another karmas are, it is medya vahnikaram hanti kafvat vranodaram, that means it is used in kafvataj disease, in vrana, in kushtha, in arsha, in grahani, in gulma, shof, anah, jwar, and in krimi. Tatmajja madhuro vrishyo vringhano vatpittaha. The fruit pulp is madhur in taste, and the karmas of fruit pulp is vrishya, vringhan, and vatpitta nashak. The vrintam arushkaram swadu pittaghnam keshyam agnikrit. The vrint of Arushkar or Bhalatak is madhur in taste, pitta shamak, and keshya, but it is increases the agni. Bhalataka kashay ushna shukralo madhuro laghu. Bhalatak is kashay in taste, ushna virya, and the karma is shukran. And as well as kashay, it is also madhur in rasa. Gun is laghu. वात श्लेष्म उदरानाः कुष्ठार्शो ग्रहणी गदान. Vata kapha nashak, it is used in Vata kapha nashak, and udar rog, anah rog, kushtha, arsh, and grahani. Gulma jvara shritra vahnim mandya krimi varnan. It is also indicated in Gulma, Jwara, Shvitra, that means in Vitilugu, Vahnimandya, Agnimandya, and in Krimi and in Vrana. Therapeutic uses. According to Shushra Chikitsasthan, it is used in Kushtha, in skin diseases. Intake of ghrit processed with bhalataka, haritaki and vidang is an effective remedy to cure skin diseases. Originated due to aggravated kapha, local application of oil of bhalataka or tuvarak is also beneficial. Next, it is according to Ashtanga, it is used in Arsha. Bhalataka and bark of puttaj is considered as best drug for dry and bleeding piles, respectively. Buttermilk is wholesome in all types of piles in all season. Next, in Shweta Kushtha, that is vitiligo. According to Ashtanga, the Bhalataka fruit should be crushed and kept overnight in cow's urine and then dried. Repeat the same for 3 times, then pound with latex of snuhi and apply the paste on the affected area. The next is in Jwara. Again, according to Ashtanga, Bhalataka should given with jaggery to prevent Jwara. In Vrishyakarma, according to Ashtanga Sangra, it is used as aphrodisiac. The medicated milk prepared with bhalataka nuts should be consumed daily for aphrodisiac purpose. In Swaskas, in Rastarangini, it is indicated or used in Swaskas. The tablet prepared from equal quantity of bhalataka powder haritaki powder, til powder and jaggery is given to cure swas and kas. Parts used. The useful parts are fruit and the fruit oil. The doses are the oil 10 to 20 drops, in sheer pak 1 to 2 gram, and in the form of paste 3 to 6 gram. These are some formulations: Bhalataka tel, Bhalataka घृत, Amrita Bhalatak, Kankayan Vati and Sanjeevani Vati. Toxicity or adverse effect. If the milky juice exudate from Bhalataka fruit comes in contact with the skin, it causes severe dah, the burning sensation, itching all over the body, blisters, vrana or ulcers, skin rashes, shofa or inflammation, atisar or diarrhea, and hematuria. Hence, it should be used after proper purification or shodhan. The treatments of adverse effect is symptomatic. Wash the exposed area with water and apply antidote or ointments. If consumed orally, first cleanse the stomach by consuming warm water and then give milk, ice to suck and 10 mg morphine for pain. Antidotes are coconut and coconut oil, til, ghee, paste of dhaniak leaves, juice of amlika leaves and lead solution are used as antidote of bhalataka poisoning. Bibhitak fruits decoction or powder is also used as specific antidote in bhalataka toxicity. The pathyas are ghee, milk and rice should be used during the intake of bhalataka, and the apathyas are the exposure to sun and heat, excessive uh, exercise, excessive sex, consumption of meat and salt, kulath, curd, shukt and oil massage should avoided during intake of bhalataka. Substitute and adulteration. The substitute of bhalataka by heartwood of Rakta Chandan, that is Pterocarpus santalinus, and the root bark of Chitra plumbago zerenica. Thank you, students. Thank you for hearing me patiently. Stay home and stay safe.